DLC yan? Legit ba? Di ba yan yung ano? Bagong tama raw. Am I recording, chat? I really don't have any topic for today. Just want to bring you guys with me. I'm going to my uncle's birthday party. Nah, dude, that's a final destination type. Back at it again with the 675SR-R chat, you know what I'm saying? Oh damn, the pop. Accident happened. There are a lot of accidents happening here in Antipolo recently. You know, accidents, road rage, everything that you can think of. Mainly, I think the problem is there are other riders who are not actively defensively riding, if that makes sense, you know. There are also drivers who are just dumb. Bike and traffic does not fit together. It's hot, chat. I changed the speedometer to our native one. Native, the one that I'm using on the other bike, so that it would not be suspicious. Yeah, that's my Some road rages are happening. You know, there are other people who drives like an idiot. Like that, boss. What the hell you're doing there? Right in the middle of the road. Causing traffic. Is it here or over there? I'm trusting my gut instinct. So I need to left, and then turn right on Producers, then Julie's. Oh wait. Producers, then I'll find Julie's. Alright. Whoa. Tired, chat. It's hot. Dude, Final Destination. Horror movie vibes, you know? Sketch. Alright, I'll see you later, chat. Or maybe I'll see you in the next video. Who knows? What is up, chat? Yata ako kakaliwa. If I am not mistaken. Mainit. Yeah.